There are some accessories that you wear and it's just an accessory, but some watches and accessories that you wear that define yourself and define your personality, and I think the Tissot PRX is something that resonates with me. It's a perfect balance, the best of both worlds when it comes to retro and suburbs, and thank you Puneet sir, thank you Tissot PRX for having me here, and I hope all of you have a great time, and I hope I'm carrying this off, this beautiful watch. Any questions? Wearing the silver plated with a green dial, and I think every watch goes with every outfit. I don't even have to mix match the color. They're all for both men and women, and they look great with every outfit.
Like this.
I love it. I love this outfit.
White.
Launch of 9 new launched models of the Tissot PRX, and I'm currently wearing the yellow gold coated, BDD coated, the dial of variant 35mm, and it really looks great on me. It looks great with every outfit, and I'm really looking forward to wearing every model of the 9 newly launched models.
कोलकाता का कैसा लग रहा है?
कोलकाता कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Kolkata is the best. I think this has been my favorite place. I have visited it before, and the food being one of the biggest attractions for me because I'm a foodie, the puchka, the rasgulla. So I'm really looking forward to my trip ahead.
Can you tell us about your plans in your career?
I think for now I'm just concentrating on this world. Yes, I'm just concentrating on this world. I'm really putting my best foot forward, and I think I'll make India proud.
Do you want to join acting?
For now, my focus is just this world, but like I said, I really like to grab every opportunity that comes my way and that could be better for me in the future.
Have you seen any Bengali film recently? Bengali film recently?
I have. I'm a great buzz for regional films. I have watched it, but I really want to explore the industry more.
Thank you.
I was reading an article there where it said that you want to start alongside Vijay and what other actors you want to
I think there are yeah, any opportunity is again.
এইগুলোকে নামা না করছিস ওই একটু নামা না
especially because it's silver and black. So I think it's a beautiful watch and it goes with every outfit out there.
Thank you.